Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Magnifica XS. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. Both decent machines. What are you prioritizing?
Well, ease of use and cleaning are big for me. I don't want to spend all my time fiddling with the machine or scrubbing it.
Okay, the Philips might be better there. It boasts about the LatteGo system being super easy to clean, like 15 seconds, and dishwasher-safe parts. The De'Longhi mentions easy cleaning, but the Philips seems to emphasize it more.
Good point. And what about the coffee itself? I like variety.
The Philips definitely wins on variety. It can make 12 different coffee drinks with fresh beans, from espresso to latte macchiato. Plus, it has a coffee customizer to adjust aroma and volume, even an extra shot function. The De'Longhi, it focuses more on espresso lattes and cappuccinos, but fewer options overall.
That customizer sounds cool. What about the grinder? I've heard ceramic grinders are better.
Both machines have ceramic grinders, which is good, but the Philips has 12-step grinder levels, so you can really dial in the grind size. The De'Longhi just mentions a burr grinder, so it is not as specific about the grind settings.
Okay, Philips is sounding pretty good. What are the drawbacks?
Well, the De'Longhi is more compact, if space is an issue. It's also a bit lighter, at 20 pounds versus the Philips 18.58 pounds. But the biggest thing is availability. The De'Longhi is currently unavailable, so you can't even buy it right now.
Oh, that's a deal breaker. And the Philips is available renewed. What about reliability? Both are renewed, after all.
True. Both have decent ratings, but the Philips has fewer reviews. The De'Longhi has more reviews, but it is unavailable. The Philips has a feature that the grinder is good for 20,000 cups, which is a positive.
Okay, given all that, and especially the availability, the Philips 5400 LatteGo seems like the better choice for me. Thanks.
No problem. Enjoy your coffee.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.